Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the 5 best mini PCs of 2025 compact powerhouses that pack a punch. Whether you need a space-saving workhorse or a portable gaming machine, we've rounded up the top performers. If you're excited to find the perfect mini PC, hit that like button, drop a comment to let us know your favorite, and subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. Let's jump in. Number 1. Minisforum Venus. UM790 Pro Mini PC is a compact powerhouse that has quickly made a name for itself in the world of mini computing. Priced at around $690, this mini PC offers exceptional performance, making it a fantastic choice for gamers, content creators, and anyone looking for a versatile desktop solution. One of the standout features of the UM790 Pro is its AMD Ryzen 9 7900HS processor, which delivers incredible speed and efficiency. Whether you're multitasking with demanding applications or enjoying the latest games, this mini PC handles it all with ease. Coupled with an impressive integrated Radeon graphics card, you can expect smooth visuals and a great gaming experience without the need for a dedicated GPU. The design of the UM790 Pro is sleek and modern, making it an attractive addition to any workspace or entertainment setup. Its small footprint allows it to fit comfortably in tight spaces, yet it doesn't compromise on connectivity. With multiple USB ports, HDMI, and even a display port, connecting your peripherals and displays is a breeze. In terms of performance, we tested the UM790 Pro under various scenarios, including gaming sessions and video editing tasks. The results were consistently impressive. Frame rates were high, and load times were minimal. The cooling system also does an excellent job of maintaining optimal temperatures, ensuring that the PC runs quietly even during intense workloads. Setup is straightforward, and the Windows 11 operating system comes pre-installed, allowing you to dive straight into your favorite applications and games. Number 2, GMK Tech Nucbox K6 Gaming Mini PC is a remarkable piece of hardware that packs a punch in a compact form factor. Priced at around $299, this mini PC is an excellent option for gamers and casual users alike looking for a powerful system that won't take up much space. Out of the box, the Nucbox K6 impresses with its sleek design and portability. Weighing in at just over a pound, you can easily take it anywhere, making it perfect for on-the-go gaming or presentations. Its understated aesthetic, with a matte finish and minimal branding, helps it blend seamlessly into any setup. When it comes to performance, the Nucbox K6 does not disappoint. Equipped with an AMD Ryzen 5 5600U processor and integrated Radeon graphics, it handles gaming well, especially for titles that are not graphically intensive. During our testing, we found it capable of running popular games like Fortnite and League of Legends at decent settings and frame rates. However, for more demanding games, users may need to adjust settings to achieve smoother gameplay. Another highlight of the Nucbox K6 is its expandability. It comes with 16GB of RAM and a 512GB SSD, but there is room for upgrades if you want to enhance performance further. The mini PC also supports dual 4K displays, which is a fantastic feature for multitasking or enhancing your gaming experience. Number 3, the Intel NUC 13 Pro Kit. NUC 13 Anchai 7 is an impressive addition to the compact computing landscape, particularly for business users seeking a powerful yet space-efficient desktop solution. Priced around $2,200, this mini PC packs a punch with its robust performance and versatile features, making it an excellent investment for small offices or home workspaces. Upon unboxing, you'll notice the sleek and modern design that Intel is known for, allowing it to blend seamlessly into any professional environment. Its compact size doesn't compromise functionality. Equipped with an Intel Core i7 processor, the NUC 13 Pro delivers exceptional speed and efficiency, handling demanding business applications, multitasking, and even light gaming with ease. One of the standout features of this mini PC is its extensive connectivity options. With multiple USB ports, HDMI outputs, and Ethernet capabilities, the NUC 13 Pro easily integrates into your existing setup. It also supports Wi-Fi 6E for fast and reliable wireless connections, crucial for today's remote work and cloud computing demands. In terms of performance, the NUC 13 Pro truly shines. During our testing, we ran various productivity applications, including video conferencing, data analysis software, and creative tools, all while streaming high-definition content. The system remained responsive and quiet even under load. The optional expandable RAM and storage make this device future-proof, allowing you to upgrade as your needs evolve. Number 4, Beelink U59 Mini Desktop PC is an impressive compact solution that offers great performance without breaking the bank. Priced around $239, this mini PC serves as an excellent alternative to traditional desktop setups, particularly for those seeking an affordable yet capable machine for everyday tasks. Equipped with an Intel Celeron N5105 processor, the U59 delivers smooth performance for web browsing, streaming, and even light productivity tasks. Its compact design makes it easy to fit into any workspace, while also providing ample connectivity options, including multiple USB ports, HDMI, and Ethernet, making it versatile for various uses. One of the standout features of the Beelink U59 is its energy efficiency. It consumes very little power compared to traditional desktop PCs, which is a significant consideration for both eco-conscious users and those looking to keep their energy bills in check. Additionally, the mini PC is equipped with 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD, ensuring fast boot times and quick application loading. In terms of build quality, the U59 is robust and well-designed, with a sleek aesthetic that will blend seamlessly into any environment. It's also surprisingly quiet, which is a big plus if you're working in a noise-sensitive area. For those who enjoy multimedia, the Beelink U59 supports 4K video output, making it a viable option for home theater setups. Whether you're watching movies, playing casual games, or video conferencing, this mini PC holds its ground well. Number 5, Apple Mac Mini Desktop Computer with the Apple M2 chip is a remarkable addition to the desktop computing landscape, offering a powerful performance packed into a compact design. Priced starting at $599, this machine delivers exceptional value for those seeking a versatile computer for both work and entertainment. With the M2 chip, the Mac Mini boasts impressive speed and efficiency, significantly enhancing processing capabilities compared to its predecessors. Whether you're editing videos, running complex software, or multitasking with numerous applications, the Mac Mini handles it all with ease. The integrated 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU provide robust graphics performance, making it an excellent choice for creative professionals and casual users alike. One of the standout features of the Mac Mini is its connectivity options. With multiple USB-C ports, HDMI, and an Ethernet port, you have the flexibility to connect various devices without any hassle. Additionally, the compact design means it can fit into any workspace, whether you're at home or in the office. In terms of user experience, macOS runs smoothly on the Mac Mini, providing a seamless interface that is both intuitive and user-friendly. The machine also supports the latest software updates, ensuring that you'll have access to cutting-edge features and security improvements. Overall, the Apple Mac Mini with the M2 chip is a powerful, efficient, and stylish desktop solution. At a starting price of $599, it offers excellent performance without breaking the bank, making it a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their computing experience.